check out how fast you can run through a magazine with this thing. I like to load it like this. These are 5-round mags because that's pretty much the max this can shoot. Now you're ready to fire. These magazines do lock you out when you're empty, so you don't dry fire. That's what that red follower does right there. And one cool feature about these mags, if you get a female and a male, you can actually lock them together and have a double-sided mag. Or you can actually slide the female one onto a Picatinny rail. These are made for the 7-inch pistol and the 5-inch pistol. This right here is actually the 5-inch pistol, but it has the 4-inch barrel extender adapter on it from Airgun Tactical. If you already have the 5-inch pistol, then you're going to want to get one of those. My sliders also come without a Picatinny rail if you don't want one, but I highly recommend getting a Picatinny rail because then you can put a foregrip on it, keeps your hand down out of the way, gives you a little more leverage. Huge thank you to Airgun Tactical. He thinks a lot like I do. He recognized that this pump action kit would be extremely effective on the M50 pistol, the 5-inch and the 7-inch. He sent me this M50 pistol so I could really dial in, get this thing right. So I really appreciate that. I'll leave the link to his website in the description. He's got a huge selection of air guns, including this pump action M50 pistol kit. Everything here minus the light laser combo and the foregrip. This is the 45 caliber, but it is available in all the other calibers also. All right, I've got a 3/4 inch pine board and these 240 grain solids. Definitely blasted through that. Now one of my favorites, the propane bottle test. Oh, it looks like I hit it right on that band. That band around it is thicker. I'm gonna slice my fingers. There we go. iPhone 15 Pro. No, I'm kidding. We'll just do whatever this one is. Demolish that thing. Slug is still there though. There's the home button. Got an old block of gel, and I'm going to be doing the 240 grain as well as the 196 grain, I believe. $13.25 out of the 240 and 10.5 out of the 196. I'm going to shoot another 196 after I fill it back up. Almost the same as the 240 grain. No expansion. I've got the steel set up at 50 yards. So we're gonna see if we can hit anything. That's a long way for a 5-inch barrel and hip firing with a laser. Got him. That was a good shot. Way you miss. Got it. Got it again. And we're locked out.